we have seen the sentence has been given in present positive statement, but now you have to change negative statement. How can you change active to passive in negative? I am defining here the eight following structures we see here. Easily you can change active to passive in negative form. First three are present, second three are past, and last two future. The total 8 structures we see here change positive to negative. How can we change into positive to negative? If the suppose the sentence has been given in simple present, so easily you know very well the simple present tense, when it has been given in negative form, you use there do or does. But when you change into negative passive, then you apply their object is am I helping verb, then not, then third form and by and subject, which are common thing in passive. Third form of verb and by. We use third form of verb and by when we change active to passive. For second structure for the present continuous, you know subject object is am are, not V1 plus ing and object. When you change into negative passive, first you put their object, then according to the object you will write helping verb, then not, then being, then come third form of the verb, and at last by and subject is there. So student, easily you see the second structures for changing negative. The third structures we see here, present perfect. You know very well present perfect is here. Subject has have third form and then object. When you change active to passive, you put first object, then according to the object you set has or have, has not been, have not been, then comes third form of verb by and subject. This is the present perfect. Now comes on the simple past. This is the structure for the simple past negative. Subject did not plus V1 plus object. When you use into negative form of the passive, you put their first object, helping verb according to the object, was verb, not, then third form of verb, then by, at last you put their subject. Now the fifth structure for the past continuous tense for the positive, we apply their subject, was verb, V1 plus ing, then object. It is also in negative. When you change into the past continuous negative, you put their first object, then according to the object you put their was, not, were not, being, then come to the third form of the verb, at last by and subject. Now come on the simple past perfect, where you can see had not plus V3. When we change into the negative passive, first object come, had not been, then come third form of the verb, at last by and subject. Come on the simple future negative, subject will oblique shall plus not, then V1 form of the verb and object. When we change into simple future to negative passive, we write first object, then according to the object we write there will or shall, then not be is there, then come on the first third form of the verb by and subject. The last structure for changing active to passive, negative active, negative passive, or subject will shall, have, not, third form of the verb and object. When you use future perfect into the negative, object comes first, will not have been, oblique shall not have been, then come on the third form of the verb, at last verb plus subject. So we see here children following 8 structures changing active negative to passive negative. Active negative means tenses. The following 8 structures shows that the all 8 structures denotes that 8 tenses which are in negative form. Simple present negative, present continuous negative, present perfect negative, simple past negative, past continuous negative, past perfect negative, then simple future negative and future perfect tense negative. Future continuous will not have passive. So the only simple futures, negative and future perfect. Following 8 structures we change into the negative using not there, changing the helping verb, then come on the 8. So these following 8 structures we see how can we change active to passive. I am giving you an examples also. I think that the first 8 structures before last week we have explained about the positive passive, active positive, then passive positive. Now in this week we will study about how can we change active negative to passive negative. Thank you students. I am giving you an example. Joining for me. Thank you.